Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to recreate Kylie Jenner's makeup in this picture here. I have been loving all of her makeup looks at the moment, and she recently brought out some new lip kits, and it was so weird because I don't know if you remember, but I think in about November I collaborated with a brand called Deck of Scarlet, and I was the co-artist-in-chief, that's the word, and I helped them create this palette. My manager messaged me like, Kylie's new lip colour is literally the same as Sass Queen, which is this colour here, and I was like, oh my god. And I felt like I haven't done a celebrity inspired makeup look in so long, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna recreate this makeup look that she done, and I love how it turned out. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this makeup look, oh wait, before I move on, I just want to say in the background of this video is pink. So basically I got a new pink background, and I didn't realise until the end of the tutorial that it's all creased and it looks gross. So I'm so annoyed, but it's fine, don't worry about it, I'll know for next time. So yeah, don't mind the background in the video because I don't know, I feel like it just pushes me out a bit. It's not really, I don't know. So yeah, that's basically just a disclaimer. And also, I've got long hair. What's going on? These hair extensions I'm using, these hair extensions I have clipped in are from Foxy Locks. I don't know if I've still got a code for them. If I do, I worked with them ages ago. What was it? It was like Foxy Amyrose or something. I will leave it in the description box down below. I hope it still works, fingers crossed, because they are really, really good hair extensions and they blend in really, really nicely with my hair. So yeah, I will leave that in the info in the description box down below, and all the products and stuff that I used. So yeah, anyway, if you want to see how to create this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I have already done my brows and my hair. Oh my god, I literally feel like I'm having a facelift right now. It's like, whoa, it's so tight. So what I'm gonna do is moisturize my face with Olay moisturizer. It's basically, I use this as well as a primer. I don't really tend to use primers because if I'm going to an event or something like that, my makeup needs to stay on for, then I probably will wear a primer. But on an everyday basis, I never think I'm gonna wear a primer. I just like wearing moisturizer, to be honest. So yeah, and I put quite a lot on because I feel like it sort of dilutes your foundation a bit, which is really good. Look at my rosy cheeks. Don't know what's going on there, but hey ho. So I normally do foundation, my base, and then I move on to the eyes. But in the picture, Kylie's eyes, I print screened loads, but they've got like a sharp line. I don't know if you can see that here. And you can't really do that if you have foundation on before, because if you wipe it, obviously take away your foundation, which is not good. So what I'm going to do is prime my eyelids with some concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I just put a little bit on, like so. And then I'll get my beauty blender and just gently pat that in, just evenly all over the lid. The only thing I don't like about doing this is it gets your eyelashes all concealery and it's really annoying. You're going to just set your lids with some powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in transparent. So you're literally just going to set your lids. I see so many people do their makeup this way, but just not how I do it. But we're going to try something new today, guys, because I never do. So for this eye look, I thought I would use the Mrs. Bella palette by BH Cosmetics. She is an influencer, and I think she collabed with them. She did collab with them, and created this palette, which I thought was perfect for this look because we've got some really nice like neutral tones and like all of these kind of stuff. So yeah, I just thought it's a good palette to use for it. Basically, I'll probably mix another one in because the brown is a little bit deeper like in the corner, so I'll probably like mix another palette, but for the transition and the base and stuff I'll use this. So we're going to start off with the shade Pure, which is this one here, and all you're going to do is basically just set that again, but all over your eyelid. I'm going to use a really big fluffy brush and use the shade Undressed, which is the second one in that palette, this one here. This is just going to act as a transition. It's going to take a while to get to the shade because you're just going to build and build and build up the colour. So that is all. You're going to create a line which is like here. So you need it to smudge out. Didn't make the biggest difference, but it did in a way. We're going to use the shade 50/50 down here and do the same thing basically. Just building up all the colours, but you're going to go a little bit down. You're not going to go all the way up. It's quite fun doing it this way because you can be really messy. There isn't actually any fallout at the moment, but I reckon there will be when we move on to the darker shades. As soon as I said that, I got fallout. So what we're going to do is move on to the shade Sally from the palette, which is this one here. It's a bit more ready, so I don't know if it's how it's gonna look. Put a tiny bit on, but we're just gonna use this colour to deepen up your crease and then obviously blend it out. You can also use tape for this look, but I'm allergic, so I can't. But if you did want to, then you can. We're then gonna move on to the NYX contour palette. Oh my god, I look so funny. And we're going to use the darkest shade in it, which is the bottom right. And I'm literally just going to go like on my outer V. Sort of dot it on and drag it out. And then what you're going to do for the fun part is get a makeup wipe and literally just wipe it across. And then you want to follow the lash line here. And just do a line. What I'm going to do is get some black liner. This is just a pen one from Maybelline. And you're going to sort of you're going to line your lash line and blend it up to the end of your eyeshadow. And then you're going to do the same to the other side and then apply some mascara and some lashes. I'm not going to do anything to my bottom lashes until my foundation and stuff is done. I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Patagonia. Patagonia? That's what I'm using. Foundation always gives you such full coverage look. Like, it's literally the best in the biz. And then you're going to use a beauty blender just to blend all of that in. I'm then going to apply some concealer to under my eyes. Set my skin with the powder. I mix the shade Bella and what's that, Luminous together. I put this on the inner corners and brow bone. And then we're going to go back in with the contour kit and then literally just go underneath your eye. On the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX contour kit and use this brush from Iconic London and then just contour and bronze up my face. This is just going to change the look completely, like it always does. What I'm then going to do is apply some blush. This is the NYX blush in BBL11. I use this one and I forget the name every time. Highlighter, I'm going to use the Anastasia one. It's the collab with amyrose. And I'm just going to put this. Whoa. And then, now for the fun part, I am going to use, oh, my palette. This is my collaboration with Deck of Scarlet. They are a makeup a makeup subscription company, basically. And I created this palette with them. This colour I have named Sass Queen. Kylie Jenner has come up with a colour which is near enough identical. Let me show you. So that is the colour of her new lip kit, and then this is my colour. Obviously I'm not saying she's copied or anything, obviously not, but it's such a beautiful colour and I cannot wait to use it. So I'm going to use a thin brush, just an angled one, to line my lips so it's sort of like a lip liner. When they're all lined, just fill them in. So everyone, this is the final result. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. If you are new to my channel, I'm so sorry about the pink background in the video. I can't believe I didn't notice it was all creased and gross until the end, so we're just going to stick with white, I think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye!